Hi, my name is Peyton Knox, and today I'm going to be informing you on cancer. So, cancer is a disease that is caused by uncontrollable cell division and growth inside the body. So, when there's uncontrollably, which is, cells dividing, forming everywhere, that's what starts cancer. And most of the time, it destroys body tissue and things like that. So cancer can form almost anywhere in the body because there are cells everywhere in our body that can uncontrollably divide and form. So in result to that, there is more than over 100 different types of cancer. Cancer begins when your body is going through genetic changes and there's an interference in the order of the changes, or the orderly process or the fashion of the changes. There's an interference. So the interference most of the time is the uncontrollable formation and division of cells. When this happens, a mass may form known as a tumor. So when you hear people that have brain tumors and tumors in their body that are cancerous or benign, it's from uncontrollable cell division and cell growth. So benign is when it's a non-dangerous tumor, and cancerous is when it's dangerous. Most of the time with tumors, you get them removed if they're cancerous. If benign, you can choose to get them removed or choose to keep them because they're non-dangerous. So if you do choose to keep them, it's not cancerous, you're fine until you're not. But then along with that, there are different types of cancer. And there are like four main ones that are like the usual that a lot of people get because cancer is a very popular disease nowadays. And there is no cure. They do chemo, you get it removed. Some people get better from those treatment options, but there is no formal vaccine or anything for cancer. So the first type of cancer that I have is carcinomas. In carcinomas, cancer begins in the skin, most of the time resulting in prostate, lung, and breast cancer. So because all this is skin, I feel like that cancer, your breast, things like that, skin, all that. But it starts in the skin. Doesn't mean that it's going to end in the skin, because prostate cancer is not your skin. A prostate is not in the skin. So, yeah, and lung cancer is inside your body and your lungs. So, but carcinomas begins in the skin. Sarcomas begins in the tissue that supports the connections in our body. So just regular body tissue, it usually begins there. And leukemia is blood cancer. So cancer of the blood, which most of the time when you hear about leukemia, that's like the one, because our blood travels through our entire body, our bloodstream. So that's that. And lymphomas begins in the lymphatic system. Cancer is usually spread through tumors. Like I was saying before, you can get them removed if they're benign or cancerous. Cancer in the bloodstream, that's how it spreads, because like I said, our bloodstream is throughout our entire body. So leukemia spreads pretty fast because our bloodstream is always traveling. And the lymphatic system, which is carrying cells through different parts of our body. So with them carrying cancer cells to different parts of our bodies, which is in result spreading the cancer through our body. In result, there are over 100 different types of cancers. Being it can be in a lot of different places in your body, almost any part of your body. It spreads through various ways: tumors growing, bloodstream, the lymphatic system, like I was just saying, carrying cancerous cells from one part of the body to the next. And there are lots of various treatments. Like I said, there's, surgical treatments. There are chemo, yes, chemo. And yeah, depending on whatever type of cancer you have is the best treatment. Whatever they have, they'll go with. But as I know, there's not a formal vaccine or cure for cancer. So most of the time they do what they can. And I would say as far as technology has come with cancer and things like that, and there being no vaccine cure, the doctors and the medical practice community has done a great job of using chemo and surgical procedures to cure people. So yes, this is Peyton Knox, and that is cancer.